Hey guys, it's Mick here with Lincoln Select Real Estate Group at Nebraska Realty. And I want to discuss with you today having your home pre-inspected before you go on the market and whether or not you should. And it really depends on the market for that. So I would say definitely consult with your real estate agent before you go ahead and do this. But as of today, this is something I would be looking at doing, is getting your home pre-inspected. And there's a few reasons for that, and we're going to cover those right now. And so I also want to notate that we do this on every single listing we take as well. We get it pre-inspected, and I'm going to discuss why we do that here in just a second. So the first reason that we get that done is we want to make sure that your home is as marketable as possible. We want to make sure that we take care of any issues that might cause a buyer not to like your home. And having it pre-inspected is probably the best way to do that. And so making sure that we're tidying up any deficiencies, that even some cosmetic things will get called out on that, getting that stuff taken care of. The second thing here, and this is one of my favorite parts about having this done, is generally speaking, you sell your home, a buyer's going to do inspections, and you're excited that you sold your home. But now the buyer comes back and is like, hey, fix all this stuff and spend all this money. And, that's overly not very fun. So when you do a pre-inspection, what you're able to then do is account for that ahead of time. So if you do have repairs that come up and you spend $1,000, when you're negotiating that deal with the buyer up front, you know that you're going to be $1,000 higher than you would have been previously, and you can recoup the expenses. And it's very likely you would not have recouped those expenses if the buyer was who discovered those issues originally. And you can have the repairs done by Uncle Bob if you want. Honestly, it's that easy. So finally here, negotiations, right? If you're going to sell your home and you already have a clean bill of health sitting there, showing the condition of your home from a licensed inspector, it just makes things so much easier. You already know what's going on with the house. The buyer knows what's going on with the house. And it's very likely you can leverage not having an inspection done by the buyer, which gets rid of one of the more painstaking parts of selling your home. So 3 big reasons there. If you guys want more information on this or want to learn more about what our specific sales process looks like when we're listing homes, just reach out. We'd love to chat. One of our listing specialists would absolutely get the job done for you. Thanks so much for watching.
Hey, thanks so much for checking out our video and watching till the end. If you're looking for more content about real estate, just simply subscribe over here to the right. And if you want more information on what your home is worth, check out sellyourhomelincoln.com to get an evaluation done, and one of our listing specialists will reach out to you to help you determine that final price. Thanks again.